What's up, everyone? It's Dawood from Dr.Mission, and today we're presenting our Herbal infused SeaMoss. Normally, SeaMoss by itself has over 90% of the body's required vitamins and minerals, but infusing it with our herbs, you're going to get closer to 100. I'm not going to say 100 because we haven't done the scientific evidence to make a claim like that, but regardless of that, you're getting from those different type of herbs, the benefits that you're getting is an improved, stronger libido, balanced hormones. It improves also one's heart health, good for blood circulation and blood purification, and as well as it helps with removing inflammation, and also good for the brain as well. So when mixing the SeaMoss along with the herbs, you're going to get the best of both worlds. And it's going to make that a superfood that's already super amazing, next level to God. So what you can do with that SeaMoss is you can put it in a smoothie, like this one. This smoothie has blueberry, banana, SeaMoss, dates, raisins, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of cashews in there. So this SeaMoss is going to be something that I have, for example, for a breakfast. Have this along, maybe first thing in the morning. Not first thing in the morning, but as my first meal. And I'm going to have like about 32 ounces in it. So this is about a cup like this, and you're going to make this kind of this much. And how much SeaMoss that I put in is about, there's no wrong way or no specific amount that you need to put in, but I put in about this much. You could put in a big scoop in there. It doesn't really matter. You just want to get enough SeaMoss in there to blend up to smoothie, and it's up to taste and up to preference. But the more SeaMoss, the better. It's gonna make you stronger and more powerful. If you want to order it, you can click the link in our bio or go to DrMission.org. We have our SeaMoss up, so you can directly order off the site. No more of the DMing me and asking to purchase and everything like that. So if you want to purchase it, just go to the link in the bio. If you have any questions, you can always call us and talk to me at 347-206-5204. Peace.